Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix Google AI Studio not working. Let's get started. First, open Google AI Studio in your browser and check if the page is loading properly. If it's not loading, make sure your internet connection is stable and working fine. Now, refresh the page once or twice. Sometimes a simple refresh can fix temporary glitches. If the issue is still there, go to your browser settings and clear cache and cookies. This helps remove any corrupted data. Next, make sure you are logged into your Google account correctly. Try signing out and signing back in again. Also, check if your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues. If you are using a VPN or extensions, disable them temporarily because they might block access. You can also try opening Google AI Studio in another browser like Chrome or Edge. Finally, if nothing works, the issue might be from the server side, so wait for some time and try again later. And that's it, you have successfully fixed Google AI Studio not working. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.